My name's Stuart Kellock, I'm the owner of Label Apeel. Label Apeel is an award-winning flexographic and digital label printer. We're recognised as being one of the best label printers in the UK. We supply mainly beers, wines and spirits, the food industry and the personal care market. We knew that the Shuttleworth system allowed us the flexibility to go in an awful lot of different areas. So while we didn't know where we wanted to go, we knew that the system would allow us to do that. In terms of our expectations, the Shuttleworth system has more than met. It has exceeded our expectations. We've found that we've been able to do an awful lot more than we initially thought was going to be possible. And we know that the opportunities going forward, there is still a lot of room for growth and development. We've seen a distinct improvement in morale, and our employees now recognise the fact that whatever information they require, whatever information they need to make their jobs easier, is available. It's where we go to gather all the information about our customers. It's where our estimates are kept, it's where our job cards are kept, it's where the potential wants and needs of any business, of any of our customers are. So we've got it all held in a single place. It means anybody across the business can go to that particular point and find that information, which means that the CRM system is not just about sales, it's useful to the whole business. The Shuttleworth system allows us to strip out an awful lot of data, which means that we can very much tell what improvement we're getting and what difference we're making to our business. In terms of stock control, the system is very strong. It holds an awful lot of information and allows us to control the stock flow. We've seen a significant drop in the amount of stock we're having to hold because we've got better control of it. We don't have bits and pieces just floating around. Everything is assigned, everything is accounted for. That's meant that we've seen a massive improvement in terms of our cash flow. We've always prided ourselves on being at the very front edge of technology and being very much in front of the curve. It's important to us to continue that. We've shown that through our investment in digital print and making sure we stay ahead of that. And that's also been reflected in our MIS system. It's very important that we're seen to be developing our business constantly. And by embracing those new technologies, we're finding that we're gaining advantages over our competitors. The digital technology that we've invested in has meant that there's been a change in the profile of the business. So we're now talking about a lot of small jobs, but an awful lot of them. We need to control that information. We need to have a way of processing that information a lot quicker. The Shuttleworth system has helped us to do that. That's meant that we've been able to move people from information processing perspective into a customer-facing perspective. The main results for Label Apeel are focused in three key areas. The first area is communication. We have much better communication across our business. We've moved the business forward. We've shortened a lot of that communication line, so it's more accurate information, it's flowing faster, and it's more available to a wider number of people. The second point is in morale. People feel as if they're affecting the business and they're affecting their work a lot more because they have a lot more information at their fingertips. They're able to make decisions, they're able to make changes and improvements to the business. And thirdly, we've seen a massive impact on our bottom line. We estimate around about £500,000 improvement on our bottom line since we started using the Shuttleworth system.